How do you spell your name?
I spell Billy.
How do you spell Lucy?
I spell Billy.
You want to spell Billy? How do you spell your name?
L U C.
L. How do you spell your name?
5.
What? 5. How do you spell your name? Spell your name.
Big one. L U C Y.
Yeah. Do it again.
L U C Y.
Yay.
It's again.
You do it again.
L U C Y.
Yay, Lucy.
It's again.
Do it again.
L U C Y.
Yay. High five.